Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Tech Chat. I'm Pawan. So in this tutorial I'm going to talk about the installation process of Windows XP inside of VMware Workstation. So let's get start our video and see how we can install and run Windows XP inside of this workstation. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Firstly, you need to read this website and download this VMware Workstation app player for your desktop. Then you can easily install it on your desktop. You can refer to these links from the given link in the description of this video. And then you need to download Windows XP this image file. You can also download this image file from the given links that I added to the description of this video. And then you need to activate your VMware Workstation. You can refer to the GitHub link that I added to the description of this video to activate your VMware Workstation. Then you can launch your VMware Workstation and you can install Windows XP normally. Firstly, you need to click on this create new virtual machine option. When it comes to here, you need to select one of these options. I am selecting this advanced option. Then click on next. Again click on next. In here you need to select the this image file. Go to browse option and select your Windows XP this image file into here. Now again click on next. Then again click on next, click on yes, click on next. Now you can select the processors that you want to use with this virtual machine. I am selecting one processor because my processors are limited, so I am using one processor. That enough to run Windows XP also. Now you can select the RAM size for this virtual machine. If you have at least 8 GB RAM, you can go to 2 GB virtual RAM. If you have 16 GB RAM installed on your original desktop, you can go to 4 GB or 8 GB. Likewise, you need to select your virtual RAM. Now click on next again. Click on next. Click on next. Next again. Now click on next. When it comes to this option, you need to select the virtual disk image size of your Windows XP. So I'm selecting 15 GB. That's enough for me. So you can enable this option to increase the performance of your virtual machine. It will allow you to run your virtual machine very smoothly, but it will automatically write 15 GB at once on your hard drive. Also, if you want to move this virtual machine into another computers also, you can get a backup of your virtual disk image file from selecting this store virtual disk as a single file option. I'm selecting this second option because I don't want to share my virtual disk image file. I want to use it on this computer. So then click on next option. Again click on next option and click on finish. Now you need to wait until completing of this process. It will write 15 GB on your hard drive. Okay friends, now we have successfully created a virtual machine to run Windows XP on our PC. But we can't run this virtual machine at once because there are some settings that we need to adjust from our PC. Here you can see some errors are coming up. So you need to go to your start menu and search for Windows features like this. Then you can run this turn on or off Windows features option. Now you need to turn off these settings from here. That means these features must be turned off. First one is Hyper-V should be turned off. And then you should turn off the virtual machine platform, and also you should turn off this Windows hypervisor platform. Then you need to turn off this Windows subsystem for Linux option. and other than that you need to turn off this Windows Sandbox option also. Then press OK button. Now you need to wait until completing of this process. After completing of this process, you need to reboot your PC. Then this virtual machine will be able to launch on our PC. Now click on this reboot icon. Okay friends, now I have successfully restarted my PC. Now I am going to launch this virtual machine.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay.
Okay friends, here you can see we have successfully installed and setting up Windows XP on our virtual machine. We don't need to do anything in the installation process because it's automatically complete the process of installing. Only thing that we need to do in here is placing the Windows XP professional key in the box that appeared on the booting screen. So I have added that key also into the website link that I added to the description of this video. Then you can easily use that key to unlock this virtual machine. So you can see here everything on this computer is working fine. There are no any errors. So with this I am going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.